GSM Assembly Instructional Video. First, level, plumb, and anchor the corner post. Second, assemble the next panel onto the next post, making sure the panel is right side up. Place the panel above the special screw and pull down until you hear a click. The GSM logo on the Quick Connect fitting should be in this direction, standing from the outside of the fencing. Take the post and the panel assembly and attach it to the anchored post as you see here. Continue this process until you're ready to anchor all of the posts. To disassemble the system, utilize the 4 keys that shipped with your order. Place the 4 keys into the holes and turn 180 degrees as the arrow shows. Place pressure downwards to remove the panel.